Hey guys, it's Nolan from RN Customs, and today we have a 2008 F250. We're going to be throwing in some LED headlights. So here's what looks like OEM regular bulbs. And here is our budget Amazon LED headlights. So, what I'm showing you here, this is how we marked where our original headlight height was. So driver's side, passenger side, you can use, a lot of guys will use like blue painter's tape, anything like that, but you want to mark, because certain housings, when they change what lighting type it is, it can have an effect on how high the headlight beam is. So you don't want to be blinding drivers on the road. So to start off, you're going to go ahead and lift your hood, and then you're going to have 4 bolts to pull out. Here's one, and you're going to have 2. There's the 3rd, and then there is going to be a 4th right there. And that is a 9/32 socket. Okay, so now we're going to be popping this headlight out. There's a little tab on the bottom we got to watch, so we'll see how long it takes me to get it out. But kind of drop it, and then I'll shift this over. Like that, and then once this is free, you can kind of pick up and out, and you should be good. So now the headlight assembly is free. And then here's the connector, because the headlight's at the bottom. This just sleeves on there. Yeah. And then you press down on this and you pull it out. You can use a little screwdriver if it's kind of stuck, and you can jimmy it out that way. Here, to pull that out, you just go ahead and you twist it counterclockwise. Comes out, and then you, with the lights we got, you got to make sure this seal comes off. Both times we did it, it stayed on there, so we had to pull that off after the fact, but the new lights won't fit if that's still on there. So when you're looking at the bulb here, you can see this tab is slightly wider than the other two. And then when you look in the assembly itself, you can see that one on the left is slightly bigger. So when you go to put it in, you just want to try to line that up. See if I can do it while looking through the camera at the same time. There we go. Push it in, and then it'll, you see that, you'll be able to hear it. Twist, 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 and then falls into place.
And it snaps in.
Yep. Yep, now we're going to go ahead and plug in the new bulb. Awesome. Now we'll test our light. Yep, let's test the headlights now. Awesome, okay. Go ahead and flip back through bright and low. There we go. Awesome, and they're looking pretty aligned with, use the magnetic trays to align our low and high beams earlier, so things are looking good. Gonna go ahead and finish buttoning up those last few bolts, and this should be done. You successfully installed your new LED headlights. This is the brand that we got. Hikari. I've ran these in a few different work trucks out here. So far, so good. But one thing you do have to remember is you're going to want to register. You got to register for your warranties. So don't forget to do this. Get your warranty, guys, if they burn out. I haven't had any issues yet. But just in case, make sure you guys get this done.